Do you understand the charge and the maximum penalty, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Now you
Court
do.
is now in session, and Devin Harris is first up. What sounds like a simple, unlicensed dog charge quickly reveals another problem: a missed court date that triggered a bench warrant. Small cases can spiral quickly in court. Stick around to see how this unfolds, and subscribe for more dramatic courtroom breakdowns.
Both of you back, so let's go ahead and get you arraigned. Mr. Harris, I have your full name as Devin DeMar Harris. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And your appearance, please, Mr. Raleigh.
Assistant Public Defender Jacob Raleigh appearing on behalf of Mr. Harris for the purpose of this arraignment.
All right, thank you. We've got a couple matters here, Mr. Harris. The first file is 26-00406 SM. This is a ticket that was issued to you on February 6th of this year, about 1:00 p.m. at 3321 Birchfield, City of Lansing, Ingham County, Michigan. The charge alleges, sir, that you had a dog in the city that was not licensed. That is contrary to law. It is a misdemeanor, and it carries a maximum penalty of up to 90 days in jail and/or a $500 fine. Do you understand the charge and the maximum penalty, Mr. Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I did earlier this morning go over your rights with you. Did you understand those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Is he applying for an attorney, Mr. Raleigh?
Yes, he is.
Okay. So with that, the court's going to enter a not guilty plea, and we have a pretrial date set for March 23rd. That is at 9:30 a.m. It is with Judge Ward, and you will get a notice in the mail with Zoom instructions on how to get into her courtroom. I would tell you to watch your mail, because don't use the green sheet again, because I won't be able to help you. Make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I do have your address and your phone number. So let's move on to the other matter. And I'm not sure you knew about this one, Mr. Raleigh, but it is a traffic matter. It is 25L2921552OT. This is a motion, affidavit, and bench warrant on a failing to display a valid operator's license from an offense date of January 18th of 2025. The bench warrant issued because you failed to appear for a pretrial on March 31st of 2025. It's been a little over a year ago. Do you recall why you weren't in court that day, sir?
It just slipped my mind. I forgot, honestly.
Okay. So you have a new date to appear on this. That is a pretrial scheduled for April 28th. That is at 11:00 a.m. with Judge Ward, and we will get that in the mail to you as well. All right, so Mr. Raleigh, I have no further questions for your client. If you would address bond.
Certainly, I think both of these matters are non-violent, non-threatening misdemeanors. I see no reason to believe Mr. Harris would be a flight risk, or that he would not appear for his court dates. Certainly, he is here today. And I know that he wants to see these cases through, get them taken care of, and move on. So for all those reasons, my request would be personal recognizance bond.
All right, thank you. So in regards to the unlicensed dog, you have a $100 PR bond with conditions. Don't miss any court dates, don't violate any state or local laws, and don't leave the state of Michigan without permission from the court. On the other charge, which is the failing to display the operator's license, you were originally granted a $100 PR. I'm raising that to $200 PR. Still, so you don't have to post any money, but you do absolutely have to make sure you make both of your hearing dates. Does that make sense, Mr. Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then anything else for the record, Mr. Raleigh?
I have nothing further.
Okay, so you're all set, then you're free to go. Thank you so much for your patience with the court today.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Mr. Buford, thank you so much for your patience as well. I do have Mr. Raleigh. He's available to speak with you about your traffic ticket. So let's get you both into a breakout room. You're going to see the word join pop up on your screen. All you have to do is tap that.
Okay.
All right, there you go, gentlemen. Just tap on the join, please. All right, good. We got both of you back. So let's go ahead and get you arraigned. Mr. Buford, your full name is Nkosi Sekela Buford. Is that right?
Nakosai Sekile Buford, yes.
All right, thank you for that correction. And Mr. Raleigh, your appearance, please.
Assistant Public Defender Jacob Raleigh appearing on behalf of Mr. Buford for the purpose of this arraignment.
All right, thank you. Mr. Buford, this is file 26-004-250T. This is a complaint or a ticket that was issued to you on February 15th of this year, about 9:52 p.m. at Holmes Road near South Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard in the city of Lansing, Aiken County, Michigan. The charge alleges that you were operating a motor vehicle without a valid operator's license. That is contrary to law. It is a misdemeanor, and it carries a maximum penalty of up to 90 days in jail and or a $100 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the charge and the maximum penalty, Mr. Buford?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you do have rights, and I did read those to you earlier this morning. Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Okay, good. Then is he applying for an attorney, Mr. Raleigh?
No, he's not.
Now, the court shifts to Mr. Buford, accused of driving without a valid operator's license. It's another misdemeanor that could technically carry jail time, though situations like this usually hinge on compliance and future court appearances. The judge grants a personal recognizance bond, but will Buford handle this responsibly moving forward?
Okay, and how is he pleading today?
Not guilty.
Okay, so the court's going to enter a not guilty plea for you, Mr. Buford. You're going to return to court for a pretrial on March 17th. That's at 10:30 a.m. with Judge Flores. You're allowed to appear remotely by Zoom or in person. If you can't use Zoom, then you must appear in person on the 6th floor of City Hall Courtroom 3. So we'll get that mailed to you. You've already provided the court with your address, your apartment number, things like that. So with that being said, if you, well, actually, he's waited quite some time. This is a non-assaultive matter. I am going to grant him 100 PR unless you're objecting, Mr. Raleigh.
No objection. No.
Okay. Then what that means, sir, is you don't have to post any money. All you have to do is make sure that you make all of your court appearances, that you do not violate any state or local laws while you're on bond, and don't leave the state without permission from the court. Make sense?
Yes.
All right. Then anything else for the record, Mr. Raleigh?
Nothing further.
Okay, then you are all set, sir. You are free to go. Thank you for your appearance today.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, we're going to do one more person here on Zoom, and then we'll have you finish the people that are here in person, and then we'll go back and do the last two people that are on Zoom. All right, so you are Ms. Aldridge. You're muted. You just have to unmute.
Okay.
Okay, so Ms. Aldridge, thank you for your patience today. You're going to talk with Mr. Raleigh. He is an attorney with the Public Defender's Office. So what we're going to do is get you into a breakout room so that you can talk with him privately. You're both going to see the word join pop up on your screen. All you have to do is tap that.
Okay.
So Here you go. Just tap on the join for me, please.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, Ms. Aldridge, let's go ahead and get you arraigned. I do have to advise you that these proceedings are live streamed to YouTube, but I do stop the live stream. It is time to get your personal information. So indeed,
Okay.
that is protected on your behalf. So your full name is Jane Alice Aldridge, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, thank you. And Mr. Raleigh, your appearance, please.
Assistant Public Defender Jacob Raleigh appearing on behalf of Ms. Aldridge for the purpose of this arraignment.
All right, thank you. This is file number 26-00434SM. This is a ticket that was issued to you on February 13th of this year, about 4:45 p.m. at the location of 400 Strathmore Road, City of Lansing, Ingham County, Michigan. The charge alleges that you had a dog running loose or at large. That is contrary to law. It is a misdemeanor and it carries a maximum penalty of up to 90 days in jail and or a $500 fine plus costs. Do you understand the charge and the maximum penalty, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Now you do have rights. You have the right to plead guilty, not guilty, or stand mute. You have the right to a trial by a judge or a jury, and at that trial, you can present or confront witnesses. If they would not appear, the court can order them to do so. You also have the right to a lawyer, and if you cannot afford one, one can be appointed for you at court expense. Additionally, you are presumed innocent, and if you are found guilty, it must be beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Is she applying for an attorney, Mr. Raleigh?
Yes, she is.
Okay, good. So the court's going to enter a not guilty plea for you. We have a pretrial date set for March 31st at 10 o'clock a.m. That is with Judge Kristen Simmons, and you are allowed to appear remotely by Zoom or in person. If you don't have access to Zoom, then you have to appear in person. You understand that, Ms. Aldridge?
Yes, I do.
3 defendants, 3 seemingly minor charges, yet each carries real legal consequences if ignored, from missed court dates to driving without a license and city ordinance violations. Today's hearing shows how quickly small mistakes land people in court. Like, comment, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments and dramatic legal breakdowns.